Welcome back. This is Module 2 of the CMD crash course, and today we're doing something practical and powerful, working with files using just your keyboard. Yep, no dragging, no right-clicking. We're going full command line mode. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a file, rename it, copy it, delete it, and even read its contents, all from the command prompt. Let's get started. First, open CMD like we've done before, and navigate to a folder where you can experiment and practice with. If you want, you can create a test folder to keep things clean. We'll be creating our test folder in the desktop, so let's navigate to the desktop. This is our current location in the command prompt, the System32 directory. So we'll have to go back to Windows and then local disk C, before we can then access users, user, and then desktop. Just type CD and 2 dots to go back to Windows directory. Then type CD and 2 dots again to go up one more step to the root directory C. Now from here we'll go into the users directory, then the user directory, and then finally the desktop. In the root directory, just type CD users to move into the users directory. Then type CD user to go into the user directory. And then finally CD desktop to access the desktop directory. Now let's create our test folder. Remember from our last module how to create a directory using the make directory command? Just type mkdir test folder. Go to your desktop to confirm the test folder has been created. Now type cd test folder to move into the test folder. Now finally, let's create a file. CMD doesn't have a built-in create file command like some other terminals, but we can use a neat trick. Type this: echo hello CMD, greater than sign, hello.txt. Hit enter. Boom. You just create a text file named hello, and it contains the words hello CMD. Go over to the test folder and confirm it's there. Open it to view its content. Go back to command prompt and type this. Type hello.txt and press enter. CMD has printed the contents of the file right here in the terminal. Let's make a copy of the file. Type copy hello.txt, hello2.txt. You'll see a message like, one file's copied. Go over to the test folder to check. You should see both hello.txt and hello2.txt. Next, let's rename the copied file. Type rename hello2.txt, hi.txt. Now go to the test folder to check. You'll see that the hello2.txt file has been renamed to hi.txt. Nice and clean. And finally, let's delete a file. Be careful here. Deletion in CMD is permanent. You won't be able to find the file in the recycle bin. So if you mistakenly delete an important file, you will have to recover them using a recovery tool. For reliable recovery and disk management, Minitool Partition Wizard comes highly recommended. Minitool Partition Wizard is a reliable and versatile partition manager that has been serving users since 2009. With over 15 years of experience and millions of users worldwide, it offers a trusted solution for a wide range of disk management needs. It provides both basic and advanced features. For everyday tasks, you can easily create, delete, and format partitions, move or resize them without losing data, and analyze or optimize disk space to improve system performance. For more complex requirements, the software can recover lost partitions or data, migrate your operating system to another SSD or hard drive, convert disks between MBR and GPT formats, change cluster sizes, manage dynamic disks, create a bootable partition manager, and much more. Designed to be safe and straightforward, Minitool Partition Wizard lets you select the disk or partition you want to manage, Choose the operation, set your preferences, and preview the results before applying any changes. You can undo actions if needed, ensuring a smooth and secure process every time. Minitool Partition Wizard is powerful with comprehensive features, fast with optimized performance, and secure with reliable data protection, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Backed by an experienced team and 24/7 customer support, it is ready to help with any disk management challenge. For more information, visit partitionwizard.com or contact support at minitool.com. To delete the hi.txt file, type del hi.txt. Hit enter and it's gone. Go to the test folder to confirm it's no longer there. That's all for this module. Let's do a quick recap of the file commands you learned. Echo file greater than sign file.txt creates a text file with content. Type file.txt reads the file content. Copy file 1.txt, file 2.txt copies the file. Rename old.txt, new.txt renames the file. Del file.txt deletes the file. You're now officially dangerous in the best way. These are the core file operations every CMD user should know. Master them, and you're ready to automate, script, and troubleshoot like a power user. As always, if you learned something, give this video a like, drop a comment telling me the name of your first file, and subscribe so you don't miss the next module. See you there.